Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review at PS4's Minecraft edition. It's made by Mojang and 4J Studio. So here's the 4J Studio with E10 Plus. So yeah, this is obviously the PS4 edition one. So just that. The back of the cover for the art box, I think it's a little bit different than the PS3. Can't quite remember. One player HDD hard disk drive, 500 megabytes of. Wait, 500 meds? That seems like what the PS3 was about. Because usually nowadays it's like, oh, it takes like 1.5 gigs or something. But 500 megabytes, that's pretty reasonable. Network play 2 to 8 players. I don't know if the PS3 one had 2 players online. I think this one can support more. Let me get that cleared up. Come on. So yeah. And then obviously online play, DualShock 4. This is way all, so all regions. So if you have a Japanese PS4, if you're taking this point to Japan and your buddy or your friend that lives in Japan, you could be like, hey, let's play Minecraft. Okay. So it's not like, it's region locked, right? And it's a unregion locked copy of the disc, obviously. It says odd and the little world, so there's that. Let's open it up. Here's what the disc looks like. Minecraft PS4 edition and PS4 down there. And if we compare it to the PS3 version, it's actually the same except PS3 is down there and PS4, obviously big blue PS4. But the logos and markings are exactly the same. Back to disc is exactly the same except for one little thing, which I don't know if you could. Yeah, I guess you can see on the camera a bit. So on the back here, this one you can also see says PlayStation 4 and the PS4 symbol. This one PS3 and the PlayStation symbol. But notice on the back disc, this one, as you can see on this, you kind of see almost right through it, the reverse lettering of Minecraft, right there. Well, on the PS4 disc, you can't really see it too much, but PS3 definitely you could see right through it. All the words just come clear right on through. I played the tutorial on both of these. Just basic tutorial. And I have to tell you this. The PS4 one actually has a lot more stuff going for it than the PS3 one. PS3, it was like simple, bare bones, if you will. The PS4 one, I mean, wow. Like, right off the bat, they had like this little area to explore. After you get done with like the initial tutorial, like, this is a wood, you get it from a tree. You're like, yeah, okay, I know that, okay, move on. Then like, this is how you make a craft tool. You're like, okay, I know that, move on, let me go and do my own thing, okay? So after you get done with it, this is a tool, this is how you use a tool, this is dirt, this is a stone block, or a stone block. You're like, okay, finally, the tutorial's done. I can do my own thing. I can dig my own tunnels, mine my own stuff, craft my own things, whatever I want to do. So after you get done with that part of the tutorial, in the tutorial level map, They actually, and you know what, you kind of have like that little castle that says Minecraft. It's like the big castle. I mean, you can't miss it. It's like right next to where they literally drop you in a tutorial. We do the tutorial. Where like, here's some trees and stuff to get out of the wood and some stones so you can start upgrading and building a temporary house and stuff. Like right there, that castle. I was like, castle. Yeah, I've seen it before. Yeah, okay. And then when I was like, oh no, PS4 is way better. Well, off the bat, the first little chest, a diamond freaking sword. I mean, the first one in PS3, it was like a couple traders. Maybe you could get some paper for some emeralds. There was like a little blacksmith area. Not that much. And then a village was like, whew, like so far on the map. PS4, I mean, like a hop, skip, and a little jump, and you're right there at a whole entire little village. Farming for food, all the food right there in like this castle area. It had slime, it had leaves, it had diamond freaking horse armor there. A diamond freaking sword. I mean, enchanting boots that were awesome. It had redstone stuff. I mean, it had everything. It had like 6 or 7 different types of boats in there. Like birch, oak, Acadian wood. It had like all those stuff. I was like, oh my god. The only thing that I did not see in the PS4 that was in the PS3 was the llamas. That's it. Oh, by the way, PS4, I got a freaking Elysian wings. You know, those wings that everyone says, well, if you jump from, a high place, you can fly, which people that say you can fly, they're kind of wrong. Reason why they can't fly, because the wings don't flap, and it's not really wings, it's actually more like a cape, and you glide. So technically, you are Batman. You're Minecraft Steve. Batman. No, Bat Steve. Or Bat Alex. How you want to do it? Because, Batman, he has a big cape. And you know when he goes jumping for buildings, he doesn't say, oh look, I'm flying through the night sky. I can flap my cape and I can say flying like Flappy Bird game. No, he spreads his cape out and he is gliding to the next building or gliding into a window or gliding down to the ground. He's not falling down to the ground, but he is gliding. So the Elysian wings, which don't know why they call them wings, because they're not wings, they don't flap like a bird. They're more like a cape, as in Batman, where you can glide down to them. So they should call them Elysian glide, which would make more sense than wings. And there is an offhand slot on your character, but every time I try putting something in the offhand slot, you can't do it. So you can't put a shield in the offhand slot like how you could do on like some my PC versions. You can't put a little dagger in there, like again, my PC versions. So why the hell is there an offhand slot? And you can't put a banner on your bat, like PC. So I don't know, but yeah, that is just kind of weird that they would have an offhand slot on your character, but you can't drop anything in there. There is, like little battles that you could do in there. Battles being like, I think we've seen them on PC games like the floor is lava and try to find the player like hide and seek and stuff. So there is like mini games that was on like PC, but they just brought over to PS4, and I guess it's probably still on PS3. I don't know. But those ones you have to pay for like the expansion pack. As for character skins, you have all your original skins and stuff. But one skin that they gave you that I definitely would have paid the $2.99 price for, but thank God it was free. Yes, Mojang, you did a great job. Was the MMOP, the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. So if you want to be Red Ranger, Green Ranger, White Ranger, Alpha 5, Metazord. I think they had Ball and Scale in there too. And then they had them with the Dragon Shields on them. So you could be Weather version or Dragon Shield version. Which was kind of cool. So, do you know what I did with my boy Steve? He was like, you know what time it is? It's morphin' time! Red Ranger, Steve! Now, the green one and the white one look awesome too. But, you know, I went with Crested Red. But, if you're wondering how much a PS4 copy is, brand freaking new in the, you know, shrink wrap stuff, GameStop, $20. I mean, it's almost the price of a used game, and we know most used games, if you buy it from GameStop, they'll be like, you know, 60, and then they drop it down to like maybe 50, maybe 45 at most. This one, brand new, still in the shrink wrap, $20. I mean, it's cheaper than, what's the other game that I'm trying to figure out? It got replaced with Overwatch, because Overwatch was obviously better than the other one, but I think it was like Bloody Royale or something. It was something that was like on PlayStation, people were playing it. It was kind of like a downgrade version, or I guess maybe like Fortnite / Overwatch, but when Overwatch came out, yeah, that game went bye-bye. They were literally telling people on GameStop, yeah, the game's $20 now. But I mean, $20 for a brand new PS4, freaking amazing price. So definitely, PS3, I had a lot of fun on the PS3. So I'm having a blast on the PS4 and stuff. So yeah, just made this video to let you know that PS4